March 2018. The phone comes with a 6.28-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2280 pixels. The Oppo R15 is powered by 2GHz octa-core MediaTek Helio P20 processor, and it comes with 6GB of RAM. The phone packs 128GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 256GB via a microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Oppo R15 packs a 16-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 20-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Oppo R15 runs Android 8.1 and is powered by a 3450 mAh. It measures 155.10 x 75.20 x 7.40 height x width x thickness and weighs 175.00 grams. The Oppo R15 is a dual SIM GSM and GSM smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include proximity sensor, accelerometer and ambient light sensor. About Oppo Electronics Corporation is an electronics manufacturer based in Beijing, China. Known for its smartphones, the company also makes MP3 players, portable media players, LCD TVs, and DVD/Blu-ray players. It was founded in 2004. The company is also a smartphone maker. It has launched a whole range of Android-powered smartphones.